Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will be showing you how to change YouTube channel profile picture. So first, you just have to go to any web browser and then type YouTube. Now you can only do this on your YouTube studio. So you have to click your profile here and then scroll down, look for YouTube studio. Now go to the left side or on the left panel, you have to scroll down and look for customization. So tap customization and you will see three options here: layout, branding, basic info. So what you're going to do is to click branding, that is next to layout. And then as you can see, this is your profile picture. So if you want to change this, you just have to click upload and then upload your profile picture from your gallery or computer. And then after that, you can resize this or crop and then click done and then publish. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.